This is how I made over 110 grand in the last 65-ish days trading dumb money concepts. A lot of people question if I'm worth 50 million. I often claim I'm worth 50 million. I don't have 50 million cash, but there is a $1 million account that we've been trading on here. I'm going to show you. Okay, so real funds, $1 million and 100 and whatever it is. Let's go closed positions here. And I'm just going to show you, hey, look at the reflection of me, right? Custom range. We started, this is all on live stream, by the way, guys. So if you guys want to watch my live stream, it's on Kick. I'm trying to do this just freehand here while looking through my phone. Okay, February 1st is when we started. It is now the 20th of April. Happy Easter, by the way, guys. Look at that. Okay, completely legit. Okay, everything was on live. So that's how I've been trading on like more of a personal fund sort of thing. The only difference with that I'm going to tell you right now is if I'm trading on a prop firm, I always just shoot for the minimums, right? So if it's a $200 minimum day for profit and you need to do 5 of them, that's top steps rules, for example. I basically just get one profitable day and then I do 200, 200, 200, 200, wait for the payout, 200, 200, 200, 200, and I just keep milking it for as long as possible until eventually I blow the account. I put all the profits into my personal account, which has less rules and more margin. So here's basically how it works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down to monthly. And so I draw levels on the monthly and the weekly, the high time frame levels, right? And I sort of get a zone, okay, of areas I want to be looking for resistance. So you can see here some levels I've drawn, right? Lows and highs around either side of the current price, okay? I'll show you the daily here too. I might draw some levels there. I'm just going through quickly so you can get a general sense. There is a long form video coming here pretty soon on my YouTube. And then from there, I'm gonna have a zone on either side, okay? And I can draw kind of this area, that's the upper side, and this is the lower side, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at multiple hour timeframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter, okay? And I'm gonna look for failures or gains, okay? So this right here, this wick is a failure to lose that level, which means it's gonna come up to the other side, okay? So I'm telling myself a story, right? So that failure, I'm gonna assume it's gonna come up, okay? So after that happened, you can see, okay, that was the level that it failed off of. It came up to where? That zone I was looking for, right? At that zone, I see a failure to close within that zone, which means it's going to come down to the zone below. And that's how I would trade the open, right? That's literally all I do on the open, right? Now we can see the reaction off of that area, right? And you can see that it actually failed to make a new low off of that as well. So most likely it's going to come back up here, retest this zone. Most likely it breaks through and goes to the next level up, which I've already drawn here. Guys, that's literally it. If you want to know my prop firm ROI, I think this year